I've got a simple and free strategy to share with you today, using just 2 indicators from TradingView. It's designed for the 15-minute time frame, and I'll guide you step by step through how to use it in your own trades. Ready to get started? Let me show you how it works. And before we dive in, a big thanks to our sponsor FinPros. Click the FinPros link below and receive 25% deposit bonus up to $2,500. FinPros is a trading platform designed for traders who value speed, simplicity, and control. With FinPros, you can upload and approve documents in seconds, choose from various account types tailored to your strategy, and experience super fast trades execution. Plus, you have full control of your funds. No restrictions on deposits or withdrawals, and everything is processed securely and automatically. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Check out FinPros in the description and start trading in under a minute. Now let's get back to the video. First, open your favorite asset on TradingView. Next, head over to the indicator section and search for the Power Trend Volume Range Filter strategy. Once you see it, click on it to add it to your chart. Easy as that. To make sure your strategy is as accurate as possible, we'll make a few small adjustments to the settings. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process. We're going to add another powerful indicator, the OBV plus EMA histogram. This tool is a game changer. Here's how to get it on your chart. Head back to the indicator section and type OBV plus EMA histogram into the search bar. Once it pops up, click on it and you're all set. This indicator combines the on-balance volume, OBV, with the exponential moving average, EMA, giving you a clearer view of market trends and patterns. We'll tweak the settings to optimize it for your strategy. Great job setting up those indicators. Now, let's dive into the secret sauce. The trading rules for maximizing your profits. Buy trades. First, make sure the market is in an uptrend. Your price candle should be above the VWMA line. Next, wait for a buy signal from the power trend indicator. But hold on, before jumping in, check the OBV plus EMA histogram. It should show a histogram above the mid-level. Once all 3 signals align, it's go time. Open your buy trade and watch the profits roll in. To protect your investment, set your stop loss just below the recent swing low or the lower level. When it's time to cash out, use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Sell trades. To catch the sell wave, first confirm the market is in a downtrend. Your price candles should be below the VWMA line. Then, wait for the sell signal from the power trend indicator. Again, patience is key. Confirm the signal with the OBV plus EMA histogram. The histogram should be below the mid-level. Once you've got confirmation, open your sell trade. Protect your position by setting a stop loss just above the recent swing high or upper level. And, like before, use a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio to lock in profits. That's it. Remember, practice makes perfect. So take your time to master these techniques. The market is always changing, so stay informed and adapt as needed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And don't forget to click the FinPros link below and receive 25% deposit bonus up to $2,500. That's all for today, and see you in the next video.